Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to insert YouTube icon or YouTube logo in Microsoft Word. So search this website and type here YouTube icon. This is a completely free website. You will see a list of a number of icons. So this is the YouTube logo. Select that one and there are some more pictures. Here you will see all social media pictures. So if you want to add this one, so select it. Now free download and again click on download and open Microsoft Word. And here guys, you have to click on this insert tab picture, this device and select this YouTube logo. Right click and wrap text in front of text. Now guys, you can keep anyway. If you see this logo is different, so you can make changes here. I mean, you can change the size, color and everything what you need here. So thanks for watching.